Hello students, what we are going to discuss today is the Bolsheviks and the Mensheviks. In the last video, I told you about that we left the topic on the Bolsheviks and the Mensheviks. Who were the Mensheviks and who were the Bolsheviks? And what we have discussed about that the different workers' party, two parties were there, one was made by the workers and one was made by the peasants. And this today we'll discuss about the Bolsheviks and Mensheviks. Bolsheviks means majority and Mensheviks means minority. Bolsheviks means majority and Mensheviks means minority. The Russia Social Democratic Workers Party, I told you about that was there. It was the led by Vladimir Lenin. It was led by Vladimir Lenin. And Bolsheviks, a majority faction headed by Vladimir Lenin. And what they were believed that what he was saying that the party should be disciplined and should control the number and quality of its member. Means Lenin was saying that which party? The Russian Social Democratic Workers Party. This party should be disciplined and should control the number and quality of its members. Means the quality population, the quality crowd will come in the party. But on the other side, there were two types of person. One were Bolshevik within the party, one were Bolshevik and one were Menshevik. Another fraction of the party, this was headed by the Julius Marto. Right. So what he was saying that he was believed party should be open to all. Means nobody will be out from the party. Right. Whosoever wants to join the party, whether the rich or whether the poor, all can join the party. So what happened? Finally, within the party, two members were there. One were Bolshevik and one were Menshevik. Bolsheviks are in majority and they were always managed to win. So this time also, what happened? The Bolsheviks, they gave the defeat to the Menshevik, and finally what happened? That there was a split of this party into two parts, that were Bolsheviks and Menshevik, split into 1903. Now we will see the next thing, that is a turbulent time, the revolution of 1905. What was there? The turbulent time means the time the situation was not fixed. Ups and downs were there. So what was there in Russia? Russia was an autocracy. There was the rule of a autocratic ruler. Right. Who was their ruler? Tsar Nicholas. Unlike other European rulers, even at the beginning of the 20th century, the Tsar was not subjected to parliament. He was saying that he was not listening the parliament. He was not agree for the parliament. Who? Tsar Nicholas. Who was not agree? Tsar Nicholas. So liberals in Russia campaigned to end this state of affairs. Which state of affairs? That the Tsar is not listening to the parliament, or he is not ready for the parliament. So liberals in Russia campaigned to end the rule of a monarch. So what happened? Together with the liberals, together with social democrats and social revolutionaries, they worked with peasants, and working during the revolution of 1905 demanded a constitution. They were also the social democrats and socialist revolutionaries, as well as who else supported the nationalist as well as the Jadist also supported. They all revolt against the monarch. Who? Liberals as well as social democrats, social revolutionaries, nationalists and the Jadidists. They all revolted against the monarch. Who was the monarch? Tsar Nicholas. Right. And who were Jadidists? who wanted, the jihadists were the person, those who wanted to modernize Islam, those who would want to modernize the Islam, right? They raise their voice against the king. The year 1904 was a particularly bad for Russian workers. What was their workers were affected by two things. One was the king and another one was the bad economic condition of 1904. What happened in 1904? 1904, there was the fight between Russia and Japan. They saw the prices soar up, and as well as the prices of essential goods rose so quickly that real wages declined. What happened? There was the severe winter. Right? So what happened? Their real wages declined by 20%, and the essential goods price rose up. What is the real wages? Real wages decline means, suppose you people are earning 100 rupee. 100 rupee you people are earning. Then what is there? Earlier you people were earning the 100 rupee and you were able to purchase 80 rupees. It means 80 goods. Right? You were able to purchase 80 goods from that 100 rupee. But now your income is 100 only, but you are able to purchase only 60 goods. Are you getting? Suppose you are having 100 rupee income and you were earlier purchasing the things of 120. 100 rupees. In 100 rupee you are purchasing 120 goods, but now you are able to purchase 80 goods from the 100 rupee. Means the prices of the real goods were increased but their income declined. The prices of the essential goods increased but their income was not increased. So what was there? The membership of workers association rose dramatically. The workers associations were there. Their memberships, the members of workers membership of workers rose dramatically. Why? Because all were the sufferers of the condition. And what happened when 4 members of the Assembly of Russian Worker, which had been formed in 1904, one association was formed, that was the Assembly of Russian Workers. What was the name? Assembly of Russian Workers. When 4 members of the Assembly of Russian Workers were removed, were dismissed from the Putliv Iron Works. It is a factory. There was a call for industrial action. What happened? This was the peak time. That अब तो पानी सिर से ऊपर जा चुका है. Right, so all workers went on strike. Over the next few days, over 110,000 workers in St. Petersburg, that was the main area of industry, went on strike and demanding in reduction in the working days and to work 8 hours. Working days as well as working hours also they wanted less, and an increase in the wages and improvement in the working condition. Right, so this procession was led by Father Gappen. This procession was led by Father Gappen, and they went to the Winter Palace. They attacked on the Winter Palace where the Tsar Nicholas, the Winter Palace means Tsar Nicholas Palace. It was attacked by the police and the Cossacks. Cossacks means and the Cossack mean the people those who are living in the eastern Russia. Right, so what was there? Over 100 workers were killed and about 300 wounded. Right, what happened? Father Gappen reached Winter Palace. It was attacked by the police and the Cossacks. Over 100 workers were killed and about 300 wounded. The incident known as Bloody Sunday. Means this was the day of Sunday that Father Gappen and the workers attacked on the palace. And what happened? It was attacked by the police. What happened? They attacked by the police, and means police attacked on the Father Gappen and the workers. In that incident, 100 workers were killed and about 300 were wounded. And the incident was known as Bloody Sunday. And this started a series of events became to known as the revolution of 1905. but this strike was not successful. This strike was not successful. The king was able to control this strike. The strikes took place all over the country and university closed down when students' bodies staged walkouts, complaining about the lack of liberties. Lawyers, doctors, engineers, other middle class workers established the Union of Unions and demanded the Constituent Assembly. Means everybody now they went in strike because they all were the sufferers of the king. They all were the sufferers of the king. So what happened during 1905? During the 1905 revolution, the Tsar allowed the creation of an elected consultative parliament that is known as a Duma. In 1905, Tsar Nicholas gave the permission of the creation of a Duma. For a brief while during the revolution, there existed a large number of trade unions and factory committees made up of factory workers. What happened after 1905? A large number of trade unions and factory committees were made up. Right. So after 1905, most committees and unions worked unofficially. They were working unofficially since they were declared illegal. Since they were declared illegal. Right. They were declared illegal. Then also they were working. Several restrictions were placed on the political activities. The Tsar dismissed the first Duma within 75 days. What happened? The Duma was set up in 1905 and Tsar Nicholas dismissed that parliament within 75 days and re-elected second Duma within 3 months. Means again Duma came and within 3 months, means within 90 days. He did not want any questioning of his authority. What happened? Tsar did not want any questioning on his authority and any reduction in his power. He changed the voting laws and packed the third Duma with conservative politicians and liberals and revolutionaries were kept out. Means he made the Duma and in that Duma what he did, he placed the conservative. Who were the conservative? Conservatives means the rich people, aristocrat class people. Right. So he set up the conservative class, means they will work for the king only. They kept liberals and the revolutionaries out from that Duma. So this was the Bloody Sunday and the turbulent the revolt of 1905 in Russia. In the next video, we'll discuss about the First World War and the Russian Empire. So you have to make the question answers. If facing any problem, then please do ask. And you have to submit your notes as whenever I will ask, then only. Right. So till then, stay home, stay safe and be healthy.